Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.Dash short and sweet in chemistry. This is the part 16 where I am going to explain unknown base radical 10 in the salt qualitative analysis. First of all, we will see what are the tests we will do for the basic radical. First is physical test, next dry test, and then wet test. So, in first of all, if we will see the physical test, what are the main physical tests? First is color, then is structure, then solubility. Then what is the color of the given salt? That is purple color. What is the structure? Crystalline. And what is the solubility in water? That means it's soluble in water. That means first physical test you should do in where color, structure, solubility you can clarify. Then dry test for basic radical. So in dry test, I told there are two tests important, dry test and wet test. In dry test for basic radical, it undergoes so many sub-tests. First of all, we will see dry test tube heating. In dry test tube heating, what we will do, you will take salt and heat it strongly. That means what happened in a test tube. The color, what is the color of the salt given? Purple color. The color changed to black and maybe CO plus 2 and Cu plus 2 or Mn plus 2. You will find what to be present in our wet test, that is confirmed test. Now second is that is soda lime test. In soda lime test, first of all you will see a pinch of this salt taken in a test tube and added sodium hydroxide and heated strongly. Then what happened? Then here no ammonia smell. That means here soda lime test is very important for NH4 plus salt. Since no ammonia, that is why NH4 plus 1 absent. Then charcoal cavity test. In charcoal cavity, if the mix of salt is mixed with sodium carbonate and heated in a mixture on the charcoal cavity with the help of oxidizing flame, then what happened? No white residue is formed. In charcoal cavity, I told if white residue is formed, then maybe Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2 and Al plus 3, Sr plus 2 also. But since no white precipitate is formed, precipitate in a white residue, no white residue is formed, that is why Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2 absent. After that, we will go to cobalt nitrate test. As in our salt residue, that no white residue is formed on the charcoal cavity test, so this cobalt nitrate test is not required. If we are doing, then no identified color is formed. That is why it is not having any maybe salt. That means no identified color. Flame test is very important. You take platinum wire dipped in concentrated HCl and heated strongly. The platinum wire dipped in concentrated HCl salt and shown to the flame. The color of the flame is not identified. Sometimes though this is a purple color salt and here the color of the flame is not identified properly, that is why you can't guess what may be. Then come to that is borax bead test. Borax bead test is very important because the color of the salt is purple color and platinum wire dipped in borax powder form a bead. That borax bead tossed to the salt and shown to the flame, a bead is formed. Bead is on the top of the platinum wire. What is the color of the bead? That is deep blue. That is very important. If the color of the bead is deep blue color, then it is CO plus 2. Then now it is completed. That is dry test. Then under dry test there are 6 sub tests are there. One by one we have done. Then come to general procedure for wet test. That means we will see what are the general procedure. General procedure wet test means salt solution. Wet means salt solution you have to take. Then here what are the general procedure? You will find which group is present, whether 0 group, 1 first group, second group, third group, up to 6th group, which one is present, and after that you will do confirm test. So first you will see zero group. What is the zero group reagent and what is the zero group cation? Zero group cation is NH4 plus 1 and salt here the reagent is sodium hydroxide taken in a test tube which contains salt solution and heated strongly, no ammonia smell. Since no ammonia smell is formed, that is why the zero group absent, that means NH4 plus absent. Then come to group 1. In group 1, what you will do? What is the reagent? Dilute HCl. That means salt solution is taken, dilute HCl is added. Any changes you observe? No white precipitate is formed. Since no white precipitate is formed, that means group 1 absent. Group 1 absent means Pb plus 2 Ag plus 2, no radical is present. That means here salt solution you have to add a dilute HCl, no white precipitate is formed. After that you will show that group 1 absent, then you will proceed to second group. The same salt solution with dilute HCl pass H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide gas. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed, then no color PPT is formed. What your observation? No color PPT is formed mean, that mean group 2 is absent. Group 2 absent mean Cu plus 2 and that is Pb plus 2, S plus 3, these are absent. So are you sure? Zero group absent, group 1 absent, group 2 absent. Then you will proceed to group 3. And what are the cations for group 3? That is Fe plus 2 and Al plus 3. What is the reagent? Solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide. So take this salt solution and added solid ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. That is called saturated solution and no precipitate is formed. Here you observe no precipitate is formed means here group 3 is absent. Then you will proceed to group 4. Group 4 means to the salt solution added solid ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, and then what to do? Hydrogen sulfide gas is passed. That is very important. For fourth group, you have to pass H2S gas. A precipitate is formed, and what is that precipitate? Here fourth group may be. Then if fourth group may be mean Zn plus 2 or Mn plus 2 or Ni plus 2 and CO plus 2. Any one is present. Then what to do? We have to do confirm test. Then what is the color of the precipitate obtained? I told a precipitate is formed, that means maybe Zn plus 2, Mn plus 2, Ni plus 2 and CO plus 2. But what is the color? That is black color. Black color means it may be CO plus 2 and Ni plus 2. Out of 2, 1 should be present. Then do one by one confirm test for CO plus 2 and Ni plus CO mean cobalt plus 2 and Ni mean nickel plus 2. First we will do confirm test for CO plus 2, cobalt plus 2. Dissolve the black, see the black precipitate is a form that should be dissolved in aqua regia. 3 portion HCl concentrated, 1% concentrated nitric acid. That means you combine this one 3:1 and here evaporate and solution to dryness. Then what happened? If the color is very important, if blue residue is formed, then confirm. Remember, when the black precipitate is dissolved in concentrated that is aqua regia, then if found it is evaporate to dryness, blue residue is formed, which indicates CO plus 2 confirm. Now dissolve the precipitate blue residue. Now blue residue is formed, then you are showing that confirm CO plus 2. Then that blue residue dissolve in water. Then what happened? In a test tube, pink color solution is formed. Remember, the blue residue is formed, but when you water in a test tube are adding, then here pink color solution obtained. That means CO plus 2, cobalt plus 2 confirm. Then divide the pink solution. This pink solution, what you observe in observation, divide into 2 parts. To part 1 add the ammonium hydroxide, acetic acid with a few crystal of potassium nitride. Remember, first one added ammonium hydroxide, acetic acid with few crystal of KNO2, it gives yellow precipitator. The reaction you can find in your previous video. And now yellow precipitator is formed, that indicates CO plus 2 conform. Again listen, that blue precipitator which is formed, residue which is formed in water is dissolved. Pink color solution form. Pink color solution you are divided into two parts. To part 1 added ammonium hydroxide, acetic acid and KNO2, then it gives yellow PPT. And second one, to the second part added ether, crystal of ammonium thiocyanate, and allowed to stand. Remember, the second part add ether, crystal of ammonium thiocyanate, and allowed to stand. Then here what happened? Blue color in ether layer. So here ether remain as a layer form, and above blue color formation is there. Blue color find in ether layer, and which indicates CO plus 2 confirm. Again listen, to the second part solution add ether and ammonium thiocyanate crystal, allowed to stand. Blue color in ether layer is formed, which indicates CO plus 2, cobalt plus 2 confirm. That means here we have to do 3 tests: physical test, dry test. Dry test is only a guessing test. You can guess it may be CO plus 2. And after that, general group means which group is present. There are one is 0 group. After that also 6 groups are there, and you are finding here the 4th group is present. 4th group, what are the radicals? CO plus 2, Mn plus 2, Zn plus 2. When you are doing confirmed test for CO plus 2, it is proved that you are given the basic radical is CO plus 2. I hope it is clear to you. And myself B.L.Dash, ex-PGT Chemistry, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. Thanks for watching my video.